Today we will study overcapitalization. Overcapitalization means we have invested excess of capital, whatever the requirement is. If we consider capitalization word, capitalization means the amount which we have invested in our company. If required amount is less and we are investing more, this is known as over capitalization. Excess asset in relation to requirement. Excess assets in relation to requirement means you need to invest only limited amount of asset, but you are investing more and more assets. That means over capitalization. Actual earning is lower than the expected one. If we are expecting the return will be of 15% and we are getting actually 10%, that means whatever capital is invested, this is known as overcapitalized. We can take an example. There are two companies, A and B. Both have invested 10 lakhs. A company is getting return of 10%, B company is getting return of 15%. So A company is getting lesser return, that means it is over capitalization. B company उतना इन्वेस्ट करके 15% रिटर्न हासिल कर रहा है, पर A कंपनी को खाली 10% रिटर्न ही मिल रहा है. That means it is over capitalized. What are the main features of overcapitalization? Excess asset. Actual earning is lower than the expected one. On account of lower return, organization unable to pay fixed obligation. Because earning is very less, that's why they are not able to pay return higher. Fixed obligation का मतलब ये है, like organization has to pay rate of interest, rate of return. Organization must have taken some of the loan from other bankers. So organization has to pay some of the fixed obligation, but organization will not be able to pay fixed obligation because organization is over capitalized. Now causes. क्यों होता है ऐसा? Why it is over capitalized? Acquisition at higher price. You have acquired assets at higher price. Means if you are investing in fixed asset, you might have invested only 1 lakh, but because of hurry indecision, you have invested 1,40,000. So 40,000 will be higher in the cost of asset. Next is higher promotional expenses. Promotional expenses are higher. Underutilization of resources. Resources का utilization कम होना. Liberal dividend policy. Liberal dividend policy. Liberal dividend policy means they have distributed dividend. Whatever amount of profit has been earned, they have distributed all.